Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you some of the things that I have recently purchased, and I'm super excited because I love watching these videos too, and I love getting ideas from the things that other people buy to see if those things may also work for me. So let's jump right into it. Alright, so first up we have some Chrissy designs. Are we surprised? Probably not. This is actually from 3 different orders, which is why I have 3 samplers here. Kristen always includes a sampler with her orders, and this one is super cute. It even includes some of the new releases that came out either at Go Wild or shortly after Go Wild. Really pretty stuff that goes well with like the blackout planning type thing on the black pages, which I have yet to try, but one of these days I will jump into all of that. So I ordered a few add-ons to the Celebrations collection. If you're not familiar with what Kristen's Celebrations collection is, it is an annual binder of stickers that she puts together that allow you to celebrate your life all year long with different sticker kits and supplements to help with all of those special events and holidays throughout the year. So I got this additional summer kit. It's like the Life's a Beach one. Really cute kit, and I know that I am just like, I cannot wait to use this. It's probably going to be within the next month or 2. So I always get the one with the date headers. I actually get the option where you can just get both together because it's easier to add to cart. I did order the Mother's Day one a tad bit late, but good thing is I can use this next year. So again, I did the same thing and ordered the 2 add-on sheets. Next up, I got one of her new releases along with all of the journaling kits. These are just so colorful and bright. I love this sort of graph design on the washi sheets. I kind of go crazy with these, especially if they are on a $2 Tuesday, and I will order all of them simply because they are not very planner specific, so you can use the journaling kits in pretty much any planner, and I love the size of them. They're so cute and they fit perfectly in the little mini binder that Kristen has. By the time you guys see this, her 12-year anniversary will already have come and went, but this is the binder from the 12-year anniversary bundle, and I cannot wait to pop these in there. I also went ahead and grabbed the full-size weekly kit, so the full boxes with the weekend strip there, the date covers with more of the washi strips and the little icons, and of course the functional sheet, which I absolutely love. I also grabbed this quote sheet. Well, it all says the same thing but in different colors. I don't think it's part of that kit, but they were together in the package, and I can't remember how I ordered this, but it's super cute. I figured that this would look nice in a daily planner, or you know, just whenever. If you need to add a full box to your spread, it comes in a variety of colors and even in the half box size at the bottom. So the next thing I got from Kristen was nothing short of another $2 Tuesday. Like I said, her $2 Tuesdays are my absolute favorite. It is a great way to stock up on the stickers that you love. So I got this theme from a few weeks ago. Of course, I ordered all of the journaling kits for the reasons I stated previously because they are amazing. And again, you can use them in any planner you wish. Look how pretty that sheet is. Oh my God, absolutely stunning. So I did get those, and then of course I got, this is where I realized I needed to kind of chill out and slow down when I order her $2 Tuesdays, because I tend to just click the buy all option when I don't necessarily need all. So of course I have this sheet with the half boxes, quarter boxes, and full boxes. I think this is like one of the essentials kits. I did not mean to grab this one, but this is helpful if you are in an hourly because the strips go all the way across. I'm kind of thinking this is the Hobonichi Cousin kit. Did not need that. I think this is the Hobonichi Weeks kit. Also did not need that, but can totally use like all of these things. Maybe not the small date headers, but I can definitely use like the smaller boxes in my daily, because I like to put my weather on each day, and there are 7 boxes here, which is perfect. And then I got another weekly set. I think that this is also for the cousin. Oh my gosh, do not be like Julie. Do not click buy all, or just do it because you love Kristen. The Daily Duo kit along with the Daily Duo headers. Of course, the check boxes, the full boxes with another weekend sticker, the date headers, another functional sheet. Like this could have me set for like a few months, honestly. I really I need to pay more attention when I order, so I'll show you guys in my upcoming orders what I've kind of pared things down to, because I did switch it up with this latest $2 Tuesday, but that is everything from Kristen. She never ever disappoints. All right, next up I ordered from HanCanPlan. She has some of the best sticker kits out there, and she even included a little note because pretty much all of her kids have had a heck of a lot of peach. So she included an extra kit in here that didn't have quite so much peach. Super sweet of her. All right, so my order came with a couple of samplers, perfect for the summer, and again, perfect for adding to your daily planner when you just want to add a little bit of like simple decor to your pages. I used to not be huge on samplers, but with daily planning and just my love of stickers in general, I've really come to appreciate a sampler to use in my planner. So the first kit, and this is the one that she included as a gift, is her Welcome Summer Kit. So this includes the washi strips and the date covers. The second sheet has the full boxes, and of course there are a few quarter boxes along the bottom. This sheet has a heck of a lot more half boxes, a full box, a couple of dots, and flags. I personally love the flags, and I love that she includes them in her kits because I feel like as a planner that's been around for a really long time, like flags were always the thing. And then you started to see shops not have them in their kits, so I can appreciate that she does. The next sheet is her deco and scripts. I love the scripts. They are in her handwriting, which is also amazing and unique. I absolutely love it. And then of course the thick washi. Perfect for summer. I'm almost all set for summer. All right, so this kit was a Mother's Day kit. Again, I didn't really order in time. I tend to not remember to order what I need with the amount of time to get it shipped here, but this is the Mayflowers main kit, so maybe not necessarily Mother's Day, but this is the washi strips and the date covers. The full boxes, again, you could leave off the Mother's Day and still use this kit without it being specifically for Mother's Day. The half boxes, dots, and page flags, or just flags. I love these so much. And then of course her scripts and deco. Oh my God, her kits are so good. And of course the additional washi strips. So, so pretty. The next kit that I picked out, even though I do not like peach all that much, I got her coral reef kit. I think that this is so pretty. And again, you guys know, if you've been around for a minute, I love blues when it's paired with peach. I don't like peach on its own, but when it's paired with like a blue or a teal, it's stunning. So here are the washi strips and the date covers. The full boxes, look at how cute that whale is. Absolutely adorable. The flags and dots sheet with some half boxes, her script sheet, and of course the coordinating washi. All right, so that is everything from HanCanPlan. Now let's jump into a couple of stationery orders I have placed. All right, so I placed an order with Jet Pens a couple of weeks ago. I do go to them for some very key staples in my planning, like arsenal of things that I need. So let's start with these adhesive rollers. So these are probably like the 10th set of adhesive rollers I bought. I personally love removable or repositionable adhesive rollers, and these ones from Tombow never disappoint. Like I said, I've ordered these multiple times, 10 out of 10 recommend. I just feel like whatever you're trying to apply the adhesive to and like stick together, so say like you're putting together some planner pages, things like that, I feel like this is, even though it's removable and repositionable, it actually helps things stay in place, which is why I have continued to order it time and time again. It never disappoints. I like the size of it. I like that it has this little cover here to keep the adhesive getting into other things in case you're putting this in a drawer or a pouch. I can't say enough about this adhesive roller. It is one of my favorites. I used to be a long time purchaser of like the Recollections repositionable adhesive tape, but as a matter of convenience, it's hard for me to get to Michael's. Every time I would go looking for that specific item, they just never had it. So Jet Pens and Tombow to the rescue. Thank you very much. All All right, so the next thing I grabbed was some whiteout. Seems very basic, but I go through whiteout like pretty quickly, and recently I completely ran out, and while I was on the Tombow website, I decided to switch over from the regular old Bic whiteout to the Tombow Mono correction tape. I have purchased this in another kind of case before, but I was really interested in this one because, again, it comes in some pretty cute colors. They are also refillable, which is nice. I may actually take one of these to work since it is refillable. I just, again, much like the adhesive tape, I really love the Tombow products, so this definitely does not disappoint either. It's a good match for just about any paper. It's not super bright white, but it's also not a cream color. And just to kind of show you guys what it looks like on the EC paper, it's a pretty good match. It's not gonna stand out or anything like that, which is great. I've used it quite a bit in the compact vertical since I'm using some 2023 pages and need to kind of block all of that out. It's also very easy to write over, which is awesome. So I just tested it out with my Pilot Precise V5. A lot of times when you write over whiteout, it will start to tear the whiteout, and you don't have that issue with the Tombow Mono two-way correction tape. So definitely recommend grabbing these if you have a chance to. Okay, so the next item I grabbed was this Pentel. It's like a PowerCore whiteout pen. Now this is where all the regrets begin because, and I even bought a refill for it, you guys, without actually trying the product first. Don't recommend that. So it's supposed to be like a more precise whiteout. I mean, obviously it's got a needle tip, but what I found is that it's very like gloppy. I don't know if it's user error. It's not for me. I thought it would be something that would be a little bit more precise, but the tip starts to get a little gloppy. I know that you guys are not going to be able to see that, but I don't know if I can recommend this product just yet. I'm trying to get like all the excess off there, but I don't know. I need to play around with it a little bit more. Again, I love having a way to make corrections on things that I need to. So I thought a pen version of this would be fun. I got it in pink. I got it in blue. I got a refill. And right now all I have are regrets. So I'm still going to try this out. I'll report back at a later time to see if, you know, maybe I was just using it incorrectly. Maybe it needs a little bit more warming up. But for now, this is a no for me. Okay, and last but certainly not least in my Jet Pens order are my Zig Clean Color Dot markers. My favorite thing about Jet Pens is that you can order a lot of your favorite pens and markers in individuals instead of having to order by the pack. You guys know I'm obsessed with the platinum one, also called gray. So I order like 4 at a time. My last set of 4 lasted me about a year. Not saying that they dried out, but I tend to lose things. So I order 4 and just kind of always have like some backups somewhere. They're in my car, my office at work, my office here at home, in my purse, in my pen pouch. So I wanted to have a few extra. Also, if you've never shopped at Jet Pens, it's kind of cool if you make it over the threshold for free shipping. So sometimes this is where I'll go in and grab an extra one of these. To get to that, I think it's now $35. It used to be $25, but you could place a $25, $35 order and get some free shipping by adding on a marker. All right, so the thing that I'm most excited about in this haul video has got to be these brand new Mildliner colors. So these were introduced to us at Go Wild by the team over at Zebra. They did a super awesome like make and take event over at Go Wild, and it was exciting to hear that they finally had a neutral color of Mildliners. Now I already have every single color of Mildliner there is. And so now there's a new set. I'm wondering if they'll come out with a new holder for this. We shall see. I went ahead and ordered these directly from the Zebra website. I just could not find them anywhere else and they kept selling out. So a friend of mine notified me over on Instagram to let me know like, hey, they're back in stock. I ran and grabbed 2. I posted these on my stories and immediately someone was like, why did you grab 2? And I'm like, hello, have you met me? I will lose one. And I like having a pack at work with me. So let's go ahead and try these out because I have yet to try them myself. I've seen them on social media. Other people have purchased them. They're raving about them. I have no doubt that they're going to be great, but I am super excited to have these as part of my planning essentials, if you will. All right, I'm sure that these markers have names, but Mildliner hasn't necessarily been known to put names on their markers. So I'm not holding my breath here. Okay, so these actually do have names, which is super, super awesome. So this is the olive color, and I'm not gonna lie, this is probably the one I am most excited about. Ooh, that's nice. Let me bring you guys in a little bit closer. So there's the olive color. Again, in true Mildliner fashion, it is mild. The next color is cool gray. So in comparison to the regular gray, there is definitely a difference. Is it a big enough difference to be like, oh my God, I need like 500 cool gray Mildliners? Absolutely not. This definitely has more of a blue tone to it. And hopefully you guys can see that, but you can kind of see it when it is on paper. The next one is beige. Super excited about this one. And it is a true beige, almost a little bit more of a camel color, but really, really pretty. And if you are new to Mildliners, the really fun thing about these markers that honestly, when I first had these markers like years and years ago, like maybe 7 years ago, I did not realize there's a tip on the other side. So if you're new to Mildliner, don't forget about the fine tip on the other side. All right, the next color is coffee. Oh, this might be my favorite because coffee is my favorite. Oh, that is nice. That is really, really nice. I love that a lot. I can see myself using this quite often. The next one, and my least excited one, is cream. It looks very pale peach, like a sad peach, but let's see how it, not that impressive. It almost reminds me of this one right here. This one is the, I don't think these ones have colors on them. Oh, maybe they do. This one's just orange from one of the main kits, but this one is like a lighter. Let's try the orange right next to it. The orange is gonna be more neon. So this is more like a not neon color. All right, so there is a good swatch for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm super excited to have these as part of my collection, and I know you guys are gonna wanna grab these too. I would 10 out of 10 definitely recommend grabbing the new Mild Zebra Mildliners. All right, everyone, that is it for today's haul video. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me and checking out some of the new things that I have purchased. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you are already subscribed, make sure you click that notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.